So welcome to Rao's IAS Study Circle, QIP Mains Question and Answer Discussion for History of Modern India and Post-Independent India. So the question reads, Partition of Bengal 1905 occasioned the emergence of Swaraj as the national goal. Discuss. It's a very simple question. So why this question? Again, an important theme where which was a landmark which created lots of struggle, future struggle in India. So again, the baseline, partition of Bengal. So that's why we've taken this question. And always in freedom struggle there are many multiple important themes, and one such is partition of Bengal. So that's the reason for why this question. So then the second part is how to decode this question and the answer approach. So decode the question, we're going to break the question. So let's see. Partition of Bengal 1905 occasioned the emergence of Swaraj. So partition of Bengal partition of Bengal led to the emergence of Swaraj. Partition of Bengal led to the emergence of Swaraj. So that's what is the part, occasion the emergence of Swaraj as the national goal. So discuss. So which means in India's freedom struggle, Swaraj was a major goal. So we're going to talk about that, and the key word here is discuss. So you're going to elaborate, you're going to just mention the important points, or you're going to highlight the important points as to how partition of Bengal led to the emergence of Swaraj. What exactly happened? What was the background? So we'll just see that. So this is we are just breaking the question. Now the answer approach. So any question in the answer, we divide it into three parts. First is the introduction, the second one is the body, the third one conclusion. So make sure that your answer has got all these three parts. Body is where we talk about the crux of the question, the content, which is very important. Now let's move on to the introduction. So we are going to see how to write a simple answer for this question. So introduction. So the first introduction, partition of Bengal, you're going to give a background, or you're going to introduce about, you're going to talk about the partition of Bengal. So partition of Bengal was actually clearly stated by Lord Curzon in 1905, and Lord Curzon gave a date 16th October 1905 where Bengal would be divided into two. So clearly you can just give a small background of when exactly Bengal was partitioned. So that's your introduction. Coming on to the next part is the body, that is the crux. In the crux, what are we going to write? Bengal was partitioned, and again Congress was dominated by the moderate leaders, and they launched a program called the anti-partition movement, or the anti-partition struggle, which also eventually failed because the moderates could not stop the Britishers in partitioning Bengal, and finally Bengal was partitioned. So here, where did the term Swaraj enter? If you see, when Bengal was partitioned in 1905, the INC session was headed by Gopala Krishna Gokhale at Banaras. So here, in this session, two important resolutions were passed. The first resolution was, they were totally against the policies of Lord Curzon. So the first resolution said they were totally against the policies of Curzon, and the second one, they wanted to launch the anti-partition struggle and the Swadeshi movement. So finally, when this resolution was passed, here the moderate leaders were very popular. The moderate leaders were very popular in this session, and by this time Swadeshi movement began to stretch or began to move across Bengal. So finally, when the moderate leaders became very popular, so these two resolutions were taken in the 1905 session. Now, so in the 1906 session, a problem arose where the extremist leaders, because Bengal was partitioned in 1905, some young leaders were frustrated with the moderate leaders, so they wanted to elect a leader of their own choice and they wanted to pass a resolution. So in the 1906 session, the moderates and the extremists were together and they wanted to select their own president. So here in the INC session at Calcutta, Dadabhai Naoroji was actually selected as the president. But actually when you see, the extremist leaders were wanting them to be represented because by now the extremists were becoming very popular. But since Dadabhai Naoroji was selected, the extremist young leaders pushed Dadabhai Naoroji and asked him to pass a resolution of Swaraj. So this Swaraj was nothing but self-rule. So again, the concept, for the first time, the idea of Swaraj was passed, or the concept of Swaraj was taken into consideration and passed in the 1906 Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. So this became the goal of the Congress. So this should be your body, and coming on to the last one is the conclusion. It's just discussed that you're going to elaborately, you're going to mention all the points and you're going to conclude it. So what are you going to talk in the conclusion? Thus, therefore, the partition of Bengal did occasion the emerge of Swaraj, and Swaraj in the future course of freedom struggle became a national goal. So later interpretations were different, but after 1906, Swaraj became a demand of the Congress. So continuously everyone started demanding Swaraj as their major goal. Say for example, in 1929, in the Lahore session of Congress, even Congress made it sure that the concept of Purna Swaraj, complete independence, would be made as a demand by the Indians to the Britishers. So this eventually became a national goal of Indians. So conclude your answer. So let's see a sample answer. So the sample answer here, the introduction, I've just made the introduction. The partition of Bengal was announced by Lord Curzon in 1905, which led to anti-partition agitation by the Congress. A simple introduction. The body reads, the Swadeshi movement took its root at Bengal and began to spread gradually. So we mentioned the 1905 INC session led by Gokhale, and which passed two resolutions which supported anti-partition and Swadeshi movement, and they were criticizing the policies of Lord Curzon. And here in this 1905 session, moderates were very popular. We've already discussed it. And in 1906, Swadeshi movement began to spread beyond the borders of Bengal. Here the extremist leaders became very popular and they wanted to elect their leader. And finally, Dadabhai Naoroji was selected as the president and passed the resolution of Swaraj. So the first time Indians got an idea of Swaraj. So we're just writing it. Don't go into all the specific details because it's just a 150 word question answer. So you need to stick on to your word limit. So do not enter into all the detail, though we know lots of them. You need to make it short. And the extremists believe Swaraj was a panacea for all the problems of India, because they believe that this one word will actually end all the miseries or problems of India. So they demanded Swaraj as the national goal. So this was the aim of the Congress. Thus for the first time the Indian nationalists demanded it. Conclusion, Swaraj became a permanent demand of the Indians in the future course of freedom struggle. As I told you, Purna Swaraj, taken by Jawaharlal Nehru, accepted by Gandhi, and later interpretations are different. We are not getting into that. We are just making it general. Swaraj became a permanent demand of the Indians in the future course of freedom struggle. So now an answer review. So what are the parameters? Does the answer address the demand of the question? Make sure that the demand of the question is answered. So this is the core important point. Answer relevancy. Explain the context of the situation, because it requires some background. This question requires some background, so you're going to talk about the context of the situation and relate the development, the outcome of the situation, because what exactly happened. And we all know that in 1907 Surat split occurred, so we are not supposed to mention that here. We are going to talk about 1905 and 1906 session, because where the idea of Swaraj actually entered them. Then answer enrichment. Make sure that key terms are there, your vocabulary is good. You can use quotes, and here the major quotes or the highlights are moderates. You can underline them. Extremists, because this was a tussle going on between the moderates and extremists. Then the session of 1905 you can underline. If you are able to know the place, you can highlight Banaras, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, 1905 Dadabhai Naoroji, underline them and highlight Swadeshi movement. So these are the key points. And association with current affairs, this question does not have any association with current affairs, so you can leave it. Structure, as I told you previously, it has got introduction, body and conclusion. So you're going to break it into three, which we've already made it. presentation, make sure your handwriting is neat, legible. Subheadings, points, bullets, highlight. You can highlight, you can use points 1, 2, 3 or ABC. You can use bullets. So whichever you're comfortable, there's no particular format. You can use a paragraphs, you can use bullets, whichever you're comfortable with. And make sure your language is as simple as possible. There's no grammatical error. The last important one, stick on to your word limit. As we always say, plus or minus 10 is always accepted, but make sure you limit your words. And once you limit your words, you're in the comfortable zone so that you fetch good marks. So these are the parameters. Go through the question again, read it multiple times, break it again, then sit, write an answer, and you can send it to us.